part 6 of chapter 3. It is related that the Sayyid Burhanuddin was often heard to narrate that when Jalal was a child, the Sayyid was his governor and tutor. He had often taken Jalal up on his shoulder and so carried him to the empirical. But now, he would add, Jalal has attained to such eminence, the station, that he carries me up. These sayings of the Sayyids were repeated to Jalal, who confirmed them with the remark, it is quite true, and 100-fold more also. The services rendered to me by that man are infinite. And we think of these psychological ascents of the Kabbalists and stuff like that. Because if you're just imagining heavens and here's the key and that sort of thing, yeah, that can do stuff, but maybe you can break through to something actually spiritual.